Hi, how you doing today? My name's Elaine Marie. Just want to show you one of my pictures that I did paint. And today I'm going to show you the background, and then the second video we'll do the flowers. First, I just get all my things all set up. Here I just have a plastic that I work off of. Plastic tray, easy to clean. 2 old cups have water in it, paper towel, a damp washcloth, an old one. I use it for a rag, 2 dry ones, and there's my canvas in the back. If you notice, my canvas today is a lot smaller, but it's going to be easy for me to show you, but the technique will be the same. So here I have myself all set up. Nothing fancy, sitting comfortably, have my paints on my left, my brushes on my left. There you go. Okay, now if you notice the background, the fencing, we have like 3 different colors in that brown. Do you see that? Okay, well I'm going to show you. Now I have a brush right here, nothing fancy. Got it from like a department store, hardware store. Okay, I already put it in water and I dried it off, okay? Should always do that or you ruin your brushes. Here I have the dark brown, a gold, a white, and a brown. And what we're going to do, we're going to come in and we're going to dab. See how I dabbed? I got the dark brown on that side. I came in a little bit here, the gold with the white, and back to the brown. Now, see that? You start from the bottom. Here you go, right here, and we're going to work up. There you go. We're going to work up, and you already can see right now how we are showing different colors. You don't go back and forth, you only work up. Okay, so that's how we're going to get. Alright, that's how we're going to work on getting this. We got some white going on in here. We're going to come in here. And that's going to give us a nice effect. Again, dab each corner. Then come in the middle. And then dab again on the ends. So when you push it down, come up. That's exactly the way you're going to have it when you're painting coming up. Oh, yes. Looking good. Okay, we're going to do it again. I could have used a bigger paintbrush, but I wanted something smaller to show you. A little bit better here. Okay? Mix it up in your brush, and here we go again. That's exactly what we're getting. And you can turn the brush over, as you can see. You can make the lines out of turning your brush over. Yes. Okay. And then we're going to come up here. There you go. And look at that. There's your texture. Isn't that wonderful? It really is pretty cool. Well, friends, that's how easy that was. Okay? And then the next video, what we'll do, we'll get the flowers on there. Friends, this is easy. Very easy. Okay? Great for beginners, but it really is easy. And this is how I just showed you how to make some good texture. Different texture with paint. Where you put it again on the brush, right? Dab the corner, dab another corner, mix it up in the middle. So however you get that, see, is what you're actually going to show. So that's going to be the back of our fence. And then the next video, I'll come in and we'll get some greenery and some flowers on that. But again, friends, it's so easy, and that's how we're going to do, or show you, how I did that technique. Everything is very easy set up. I got it on the easel. And again, I just worked off of nothing fancy. Plastic tray. This will just wipe right up. Old cups that I had, I filled them with water. And that's it. This is one of many of my favorite paintings. And see the way the background is. Great. Well, thank you, friends, for tuning in. And please tune in again. We're going to be finishing this up with some flowers and greenery. But thank you again, friends. And you have a great, great, great day, okay? Thank you so much. And hopefully you tune in again. And subscribe anytime so you'll know when my videos are coming up. Thank you. Bye-bye now.